Okay, so yesterday when we got together, we talked about our lids. Where is everybody at today with their lids? Are you here, here, here? You're about to blow it, Brooke?
It's blown.
It's
Really?
blowing. Okay, so that's where we are. Well, today we're going to talk about how we get the lid back on. So, how we get unstuck. So, here's an example. We're at the end of this we're going to have this big wheel that we're going to be able to spin, and we're going to be able to figure out like how we want to get ourselves unstuck, and we're going to be able to do that. So, and it's going to look somewhat similar to this, but you know the great thing is we get to choose exactly what goes in those triangle pieces. So, can you guys come up and write on the board some of the things that makes you go from here to here?
And maybe for time, let's just stand.
Okay.
How about the stuff that's in the melting pot, already written?
Yeah.
Okay, so melting pot. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so is there anything on this list that you think is inappropriate for a classroom environment?
Screen time.
Screen time. Okay, we're not going to do screen time. What other things?
Massages.
If anybody touches you, prayer.
Prayer.
You can say a prayer in your heart.
Oh, that's true. Oh. Shopping, maybe.
Shopping.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that leaves us with these things left. So when we create this wheel, we want to make sure that we put the things on the wheel that are going to be like the most important things. So on, and this is what I would do. I would say everybody gets 6 votes because there's 6 pieces, and then I'd say come and tick next to those 6 that are your favorite. All right, so now we're gonna build our own wheel. We're gonna do one per. We do one for the class, right?
But then they could have an individual one too.
Okay.
You could have like, this is the one for the piece table,
Okay.
but in their notebooks, they could have their own version as
Okay.
well. You can go a couple different ways.
So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna come together as a group, and each person is going to have their own triangle that they want to complete. Who wants to take 10 minutes? Who wants to do that triangle? Brooke? Okay, who wants to take, look at nature? Okay, Kim? Who wants to choose 10 minutes? Allison? That's awesome. Why don't you guys come up and you can decorate these triangles.
You're doing great, Jen.
This is good.
Okay, so, all right, and then I would just have them, like, I would have a board and they could put their pieces on the board, and then we would take it over and laminate and cut it. So I obviously don't have to take you through that exercise. Cut.